Hey everybody, it's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I thought you might want to know that there's a chicken hanging around right outside the door. Her name is Butterscotch, and I'm showing you a picture of her. Actually, all of the chickens are in and out of our backyard, which is fine with me. They're really sweet. I wanted to share what I've purchased for Halloween, and I'm so excited. I've got to get back to the trash journal, and I've got to get back to the Halloween journal. I wanted to show these just in case you haven't had a chance to get out and you might have this in your local Dollar Tree. They seemed to be selling pretty quickly in my local Dollar Tree. They are made to look like books, but then they're just boxes. So they are really cool, sitting on a shelf. Now they did have some smaller options, so I didn't buy all of them. I left some on the shelf for other people, but I did want a complete set. So I purchased 4 of the big ones. So you can see Potions and Poisons, Curses and Hexes, The Witch's Book of Spells and Spells. These are my 2 favorites, these 2. So I went ahead and got little ones in those. And I've just had them sitting around the workshop. I'm probably gonna store things in them. I'm not sure what yet. They could also, I mean, you can see that this could be turned into a box to hold a Halloween journal, or it could be turned into a journal itself. So I did want to share that my local Dollar Tree had or has, if they've not sold out, these boxes. And I was in there just the other day, so hopefully you will have some in yours. I also picked up this garland because I think it would be fun to take it apart and use these pieces just spread throughout the journal. And I found some really cool spider napkins. So I'm planning to incorporate all of this. Actually, that would be pretty in there. I can't think of anything else from the Dollar Tree, but I did find some fun Halloween paper scraps that I thought I would incorporate into my Halloween journal. I think purple is always a pretty Halloween color, and I have these items that came out of, I don't know if you all remember, I bet it's been, oh my goodness, maybe 2 years ago, that I found a really pretty journal that had been partially started and it had been filled up too full. So it was kind of the gator mouth, as they call it, and it's like the person just abandoned it and then they donated it to a local thrift store. And I bought it and took a lot of it apart. Now, so I can't take credit for making these tags. They are really pretty if you can get some inspiration from these. But I thought instead of letting them just sit around, I will incorporate them into my Halloween journal for this year because the colors are so pretty. That's where I am for now. I will be back really soon with a proper video on working in the Halloween journal. Bye for now.